Hello, my name is Andy Bonoff of Platte River Analytics. Thanks for joining us. In this video, we will take a quick look at the different ways to copy and paste data from the attribute table in ArcGIS Pro to Microsoft Excel. This is going to be a quick video with a couple different examples. Okay, we are here in ArcGIS Pro. I have a layer in my map for all counties in the United States. I brought this layer in from the Living Atlas in ArcGIS Pro. First, I want to open the attribute table for this layer. I will right-click on the layer and click Attribute Table. This will open the attribute table in the center of my screen, below the map. In this example, I want to copy and paste the records for all of the counties in Illinois. First, I want to make a selection using the Select by Attributes tool. In my table, I will click on the Select by Attributes button here. That will open up my Select by Attributes tool. In the Select by Attributes tool, I will set a new expression that says where state name is equal to Illinois. I will then hit OK at the bottom. The tool will close and I will be back in my attribute table. You can see down here at the bottom, I now have 102 records selected out of 3,044. If I click on this selected data icon, it will show me only the records that are selected. You can see up here in the map, all counties in Illinois are selected. Next, what I need to do before I paste into Excel is first copy the selected records. To do this, I need to click the copy button here in my selection options. This will copy all of my selected records. And just to reiterate, only my selected records will be copied. Because the counties outside Illinois are not selected, they will not be copied. Now I am going to pull open a blank Microsoft Excel sheet. And in Excel, I will right-click in the first cell and then click Paste. As you can see, all the selected counties in Illinois are now copy and pasted into Excel. The column headers up here at the top are also pasted into Excel. Okay, let me minimize Excel and go back to our attribute table. There is one other way to move our data from the attribute table into Excel. I am going to click on my geoprocessing pane over here on the right and type the word Excel. In my list of options, I am going to choose the tool called Table to Excel. This tool will take your attribute table from Pro and convert it into an Excel document. I prefer to use this method when I have really large data tables and it exceeds the amount that can be copy and pasted. That's it for this quick video on copying data from the attribute table in ArcGIS Pro to Microsoft Excel. As usual, like and subscribe to our videos, and don't hesitate to let us know how the team at Platte River can help with your next GIS project or training course.